welcome back. Something a bit different today. I'm at a customer's house and I'm working on his Hayter LT324. Yeah, it's a bit of funny lighting in here, so it's really not focusing very well, you can tell. And I'm knackered, just carried all my tools out. But, yeah, so today's job was to fit a isolating valve servo on the diesel pump. That was a bastard because the nut on the other side was touching the casing, so you couldn't actually get to it. I had to pry it about to, basically smash it about to get to it, to get the nut off. Yeah, so it's about a 4-cylinder engine, so quite a biggish machine, as you can tell, probably tell from here. The job to get it all on my camera. I don't want to get too much of the other stuff in. But yeah, I've done that, and I'll fit another bit of exhaust pipe. I'll show you that in a second if I can get around that side. Let's go on the other side and have a look. I don't think you can see it really, but I've just fitted this new bit of pipe here. It goes down the back to the manifold. This is Kubota, that is Hayter, and then obviously the exhaust manifold itself is Kubota. And yeah, we'll have to lift the seat up so you can have a look underneath there, because these get a little bit complicated for hydraulic pipes and stuff. So I might do that now actually, I know he's about, and we can have a little look underneath there if you've never seen underneath one of them before. So hopefully it's not too blurred. This is what it looks like underneath. It's all hydraulic pipes, hydraulic steering, hydraulics, everything. Everything's hydraulic drive to the wheels, four-wheel drive. This is the mess I'm dealing with wires at the moment. It's all been bodged about. It's just a bloody nightmare, I'll tell you. This job should have been done easy last week. But yeah, and obviously you've still got your, you can't really see it, I think it's too dark, but you've got your cutouts and stuff, like just like you have on a little mower. But annoying. Put my size 12 up on there just so you can see the size of the tyre, so you get an idea. Yeah, I know, I ain't got safety boots on, who gives a shit. Yeah, so just to give you an idea of the size, I've had to put the roll bar up today because that's been in my way all week and it's been annoying every time I come here, so I'll put it up out of the way. But yeah, it's a fair old machine. So I'll get a bit of a different angle. Okay, hopefully you can see it a bit better. Yeah, it's a bit of a beast. Like I say, today's jobs are simple jobs. I don't know what the time is now. I ain't got my phone on me, but I think I've been here about 4 hours. Absolutely unbelievable. Like I say, I've got other. Oh, that's a nice little mower in the corner. But I've got quite a bit of work here. I've got strimmers to rebuild. I'll be taking them home to rebuild. I've got Hayter 46. I've got to do some. Hayter 56. So I've got to do some work on. And he's just told me he's got another one out the back with no drive, so I've got to sort that out. And then going about one of my favourite machines as well. I've got to work on. I'll show you that in a second. Yeah, and as you know, I have a thing for Hayterettes. So. Not sure of the age of this one. It's quite a nice one. I don't think I've seen one actually like that with that franking. It's different deck to what I've seen in the past. I'm not too sure about that one. But you know how I do like a good Hayter. This one is all road registered as well. So yeah, and some weird machines in here as well. Look, I won't show too much of that because it's not mine, but that's for taking tiles up off the floors apparently. Or something like that. But yeah, I've got more to show you, but I can't really at the moment because there's too much stuff in here what I don't want to show you. Just in case he gets your arse. Alright. Right, I hope you enjoyed that little look at that Hayter. just for show you, because it's a little bit different than what you'll normally see me working on. It's not the biggest machine I work on either. I do work on bigger machines than that. But just for show you. If you've only been working on like doing diaphragms and that in your classic engine, that probably looks a bit scary, but it's just a matter of you break it down to smaller parts, don't you? You break it down and you know, it's an engine, it's hydraulic pumps, it's, you know, it's just best to just break it down to make it smaller. And then obviously it's not so scary when you, also when you first look at them, you go, bloody hell, there's pipes everywhere, there's bits everywhere. But yeah, so I just thought I'd show you that. I'll show you some more of the bigger machines that I do as well, because it might interest you. But yeah, if you like this sort of stuff, subscribe, ring the bell, thumbs up, all the usual sort of stuff. And I shall see you next time. Bye for now.